I'm Amy VanLoon, Executive Director of the White Lake Area Chamber of Commerce, and I have your Visit Muskegon Weekend Report. Here in the White Lake area, the White Lake Chamber Music Festival celebrates its 10-year anniversary. From August 2nd to the 11th, 19 musical events will take place in 7 locations throughout Montague, Whitehall, and Muskegon. Local, national, and international performers will come together to create a musical experience, usually found only in metropolitan cities. Just a few highlights include a spectacular brass concert featuring the Gaudete Brass Quintet, a Beethoven piece performed by international musicians, and a concert by the Detroit Symphony Trio. Music lovers, this is going to be a busy weekend for you. In addition to the White Lake Chamber Music Festival, you get bluesy with 4 chart-topping blues artists. Nellie, Tiger Travis, Pokey Bear, Wendell B., and Willie Clayton appear together for one night only at Frauenthal Center's Lakeshore Blues Festival. Mellophobics and Paddlebots will bring the party to Parties in the Park. The Book Nook Java Shop presents Sarita's Black Rose and Legal Rehab. They also have a Music and Mimosas brunch featuring Steve Thielman on piano. Tenor David Phelps, who has a number of awards and nominations under his belt, has been touring internationally and makes a highly anticipated stop right here at the Maranatha Summer Concert Series. And in downtown Muskegon, you can be entertained by over 30 street performers at the 4th annual Music Street Performer event. The drama, A Doll's House Part 2, takes the stage at the newly remodeled and reopened Playhouse right here in White Lake. Did you know that the World War II landing ship USS LST 393 shows movies on her deck? This week, the comedy classic is Caddyshack. Here's some more maritime fun. Put on a grass skirt and luau over to the Aquastar. The island dancers will have a special Polynesian performance dockside before the Aquastar luau cruise. See if you can catch any of the meteors from the recent showers at the Muskegon Astronomical Society Star Watching Party. Lakeside Emporium invites you to their sweet Saturdays to enjoy food, entertainment, and Treasure Alley. Then head on over to Lakeside's favorite gallery, Art Cats, for their exhibit Summertime. Want to learn how to create your own masterpiece? Come to Hackley Public Library for Out of This World Watercolors, a watercolor class for adults. Get your U.S. Lighthouse Society passport stamped at all 3 of our lighthouses. Tour the historic Muskegon South Pier Head Light and the White River Light Station and climb to the top of their beautiful towers. Looking for fresh summer fruit, veggies, or flowers? Muskegon County has not only 1 but 3 farmers markets to shop: Muskegon, Sweetwater, and Montague. Take it outdoors. We are pretty proud of our 400 miles of river, 23 inland lakes, 26 miles of pristine Lake Michigan shoreline, and over 60 miles of natural and paved trails. Lace up your running shoes and join the White Lake Area Chamber of Commerce Run It 5K. It's right here along the beautiful Montague Hart Bike Trail. Tee off at the Bent Pine Golf Club for their 4th annual Muskegon Polish Festival golf outing, followed by a dinner, a silent auction, and live music from the Virgil Baker Polka Band. It may be summer, but you can still have an adventure at the Muskegon Winter Sports Complex. You can learn archery, zip down the only wheeled luge track in North America. And where else can you do yoga but on the deck of a World War II landing ship overlooking the lake and finish in time to catch a summer sunset? You probably need some details on dates, times, and locations. Well, we got you. Head on over to the Visitor Center in White Lake or in downtown Muskegon, or go to whitelake.org or visit muskegon.org. Have a great weekend.